In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an Elevenlabs subscription. To begin, go to the Elevenlabs homepage. Once you are there, look for the Sign Up option and click it to create your account. You can usually register using your email address or sign in with a Google account, depending on which option is more convenient for you. If you are using your email, just follow the prompts to set up your account and verify it if needed. Make sure you use an account you can access easily, since this will be tied to your subscription and future billing details. After your account is created and you are signed in, head to your profile icon, which is typically located in the top corner of the screen. Click on it and from the menu that appears, select Subscriptions. This is where Elevenlabs keeps its plan options and account billing details. So this section is the main place you use to upgrade from a free account to a paid one. Next, take a moment to review the available subscription tiers. This is important because each plan is designed for different needs. Starter plans are usually a good choice for beginners or casual users who want access to more features without committing to a higher cost. Creator and Pro tiers typically include more monthly voice generation credits, which can be helpful if you plan to create content more regularly or use the platform for business, client work, or larger projects. As you compare the plans, pay attention to the included credits and the pricing so you can choose the option that best matches how often you expect to use the service. Once you've decided on the plan you want, click Upgrade after that. You'll be asked to choose whether you want monthly or yearly billing. Monthly billing can be a flexible option if you want to try the service first, while yearly billing may offer better value if you already know you'll be using it long term. After selecting your billing cycle, enter your billing information carefully and review everything before moving forward. This helps avoid mistakes that could delay the payment process. When everything looks correct, click Subscribe to complete your payment. Your subscription should activate immediately, which means you can start using your selected plan right away and access the features and credits that come with it. And that's it. Thanks for watching.